Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can change your video file size on CapCut PC. So it does make your quality not good though, because you are changing like the resolution and frame rate and stuff like that, but you're just going to select export, and as you can see it is 5 megabytes, and I want to, for instance, make the file smaller. So I'm just going to select the 720p one resolution, and you're also going to select the 30 frames per second one. I think it doesn't matter actually. So if you just change the resolution, it's going to change the file size of your video or photo. You can also select the recommended bitrate or lower, to also change the file size of your videos. So just select recommended because you don't want to go lower than that. That's it. Just press export. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!